Hey, I'm Marie from Wideum. Do you want to know how to improve your technical service in the field? I'm going to show you how simple it is for your service technicians to start using your new Vuzix smart glasses. This suitcase contains Vuzix M4000 model, an all-in-one enterprise AR solution that combines an innovative mix of optics, processing performance and lightweight ergonomics. It has been engineered to help equipment manufacturers reduce operational downtime thanks to remote assistance. This device includes 5 main elements: the M4000 smart glasses, a charging power bank, charge and viewer cable, safety glasses, and finally, a headband in case you want to attach the smart glasses to a hard hat or helmet. The kit works perfectly well with powerful software applications like Remote Eye, optimized for hands-free voice control. Use it for remote mentor video calling, document navigation, guided workflow, and industrial IoT data visualization. As you'll see, it's easy to set up and get started. Let's build a kit in 4 simple steps. Optionally, you can snap the kit to the headband and put it on your head, or onto a hard helmet, or a bunk cap. The smart glasses have 4 main elements. 1. The advanced see-through waveguide display, where you can see the remote expert's indication. The high-resolution micro-display fits just below your line of sight. Take time to adjust it in your best focal length. 2. A high-resolution camera with a flashlight. 3. The IJO kit, microphone with noise cancelling and speaker. And 4. A powerful integrated Wi-Fi receiver. Now, please connect the smart glasses to the internet through local Wi-Fi or a mobile hotspot. Download the Remote Eye app through the Vuzix App Store. Remote Eye is a live video remote assistance software that connects an expert and a local operator. The expert guides and assists the operator in installing, maintenance, or repair requiring specialized knowledge. When you acquire this device through Wideum, the Remote Eye app comes already installed. Our technical assistance team will provide you with a license and a password. Finally, open the Remote Eye app. A 4-digit code appears on your screen. Provide this activation code to your remote expert. You now appear as connected. Congratulations! You're now ready to make your first Remote Eye call.
Wideum, always there.